So here you have the parabola, the parabolic shape. It's an n shape because x squared has the negative as a coefficient in front of it. So you get an n shape, okay, with the maximum point, the two roots, that's minus 0.236, 0, 4.236, 0, that's the roots, and the y-intercept 0, 1. Right, so let's move on to the next question to see what it is saying. Just bear in mind, remember that this graph was obtained using Desmos. Right, so as you can see, it says on your graph, draw a line of symmetry and write down the equation of the line of symmetry. Okay, so the line of symmetry is a vertical line. Okay, or here we did not write the equation of the line of symmetry. Also, let's do it. Here you can see a U shape because the x squared has a positive 1 in front of it. So when the x squared is positive, then you get a U shape. Okay. So the line of symmetry, the equation for the line of symmetry, let's just do that there before we move on to the next question. Equation for the line of symmetry. So it's a vertical line and it's passing through the x-axis. So you can see it's passing right through 1.5 on the x. So x is equal to 1.5. All right, actually use the x coordinate of the turning point. In that case, it's a minimum point to write the line of symmetry. Okay, the x coordinate of the turning point, that's what you use to write the equation of the line of symmetry, x coordinate. So here the x coordinate is 2. Okay, so the line of symmetry is a vertical line that cut in the parabola in 2 equal halves. All right, because the line of symmetry is symmetric. Okay. So let's just increase the visibility of this line by right-clicking on it. Format. And we're going to make it black and wider and bring it towards the center. Right, so here it is. That's the equation of the line of, that's the line of symmetry itself. Okay, so just to make this permanent, let's snip it. Because the line is from drawings and the image now, as you can see, they are two separate, so they can move apart. So you snip it, then you have one image. You can paste it back, as you can see. Right, so now that's B. Let's go in front of B. Right, good. Now the equation of the line of symmetry So as you can see, the line of symmetry is passing through x equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Right, that is the equation of the line of symmetry. X is equal to 2. See it right here. All these are the x values, 0, 1, 2. And let's move on to D. It says the y-intercept and the minimum point. Well, you're not supposed to say minimum point, supposed to say maximum point. Okay, because the negative sign making the x squared negative. So you get a n shape, and then that's a maximum point. So you're not supposed to say minimum point, it's supposed to say maximum point. So y, the y-intercept, okay? So for the y-intercept, that's where the graph crosses the y-axis, right? They call it the y-intercept, where the graph crosses the y-axis. And that's 0, 1, right? On the y-axis, x is 0, and the 1 is the y value. So the y-intercept is, open bracket, 0, 1. X is 0 on the y-axis. And the maximum point the previous one was minimum point because it was a U shape. But now we have an N shape, so it's maximum point. That's the highest point. And you can clearly see it's 2, 5. 2, 5. And part E, write down the roots of the equation. The roots are where the graph touches the x-axis. These are the roots. That's where y is equal to 0. Okay. We're clearly saying that f of x is just another way of writing y. So y is equal to 0. That's on the x-axis, and here it is. That's your y is equal to 0. So that's E. The roots are the x-intercept. Right? That's y is equal to 0. Okay. And we've got 2 of them. Minus 0.236, 0, negative 0.236, 0, and the other one is 4.236, 0. Okay, so these are the 2 roots of this quadratic. This parabolic shape. Y-intercept, maximum point, and the 2 roots.